Hello everyone, welcome to ZyCast YouTube channel. Here is the ZyCast HDIP 800RJ compact device which can do the IP simulcasting for live streaming. It features HDMI, component, composite, coaxial, and optical inputs, and it has one RJ45 port for IP output and management. Once you open up the GUI, you will see the overview page. The streaming destinations will be shown here after setup. You can also check out some brief information from this page. Before going live streaming for the first time, it is important to build up the network to ensure you can deliver your video successfully to the internet. Go to Network Setup page. Assign the static IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and also the DNS. Or you can just enable the DHCP. The settings have to be in accordance with your router setting to stream to internet. Unless you default the unit back to factory settings or your internet environment has changed, you should only be doing this once. As to the encoder setup page, you can edit the parameters like the video resolution from here for your output streams, or you can just use the default setting, which is already set to the most friendly combination. And then we come to our most exciting part of today's tutorial video, streaming setup page. Here is how you can share your video to the world. In this video, we will take YouTube, Facebook, and Periscope for example to show you how to set up the destinations and stream your video to these platforms. First of all, YouTube. Click to choose YouTube as the stream service. The URL of YouTube server is already embedded. Create a new stream. Copy the stream key and paste in the column from the GUI. Edit. Facebook and Periscope is the same. Create an event. Copy and paste the stream key. Add it to the destination list. Create an event. And paste in the column from the GUI. Edit. And add on 3 destinations at once and then save and confirm afterwards. Then the video will automatically stream to these platforms. And it's that easy. You've edited your 3 live streaming destinations. Well, that's basically all for this video. Until next time, happy live streaming everyone! Thanks for watching! Please contact us if you're interested for more details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button next to it. See ya!